Welcome to the online library management system, a smart solution designed to simplify and digitalize the management of library operations. This is the home page. So let me first register as an admin. You can see register successfully. Automatically we are navigated to login page. This is the admin dashboard. Through add a book, we can add a book by filling this form. So let me add a book. So click on add a book. Book added successfully. Let me add another book. Book added successfully. So through view books, we can see the added books. So these are the books which we had added now. Through this form, we can add a books, and also we can add books using an Excel, so that we can add a bulk of books at once. You can see my Excel sheet. So title, author, subject, description, and the image path I have given. So this is the optional image, so this is we cannot see. Click on upload. Book uploaded successfully. So click on view books. We can see more 2 books were added. So this is the optional book. So these books can be seen by the user. So let me register and login as a user. User registered successfully. Login page. So this is the available books and user dashboard. So we can browse the books by author name or the book name. So for example, if I click take book taken successfully, and the status would be taken. So if I go to the admin dashboard, this status can be viewed by admin. So let me log in as admin. So user taken books. So this particular user has taken this book. So when I click mark as written, there is no books. So if I again go to the user dashboard, you can see so the taken status is being removed. So this online library management system is designed to save time, improve accuracy, and bring transparency to the library management process. It's a modern professional approach to handling book collections and user records. Thank you.